kitchen vocabulary for kids. Let's start now. Rolling pin, rolling pin. Pan, pan, pan. Spoon, spoon. Fork, fork, fork. Knife, knife. Blender, blender, blender. Whiskey, whiskey. Kettle, kettle. Apron, apron. Bowl, bowl, bowl. Pot, pot. Peeler, peeler. Chopping board, chopping board. Stove, stove, stove. Oven, oven, oven. Fridge, fridge. Ceiling fan, ceiling fan. Sink, sink. Dustbin, dustbin.